In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the touchpad on your Windows 11 computer. Now, it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. You first need to open up the Start menu on your laptop and click on Settings. Over on the left-hand side, select Bluetooth and Devices, and then you'll need to scroll down and click on the touchpad. Now, to enable the touchpad, obviously make sure this is turned on, and if you want to disable the touchpad, you can go and uncheck this option. You can then click on the drop-down arrow, and you also have the option to turn on or turn off the touchpad when a mouse is connected. So I want to leave my touchpad on and make sure it's working, so I'm going to leave this option checked. And that's the first way to go and turn on or off a touchpad. Now you can also do this using a key combination on your laptop keyboard. So this will typically be the FN key and also the F7 key at the same time. If the FN and the F7 key doesn't work, you can also try the other F keys for a possible key combination. So you can try FN and F1, FN and F2 and so forth. So those are two methods to enable or disable the touchpad. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.